Dear friends, let's cover why you should add the best waterfall in Costa Rica to your bucket list while visualizing the walk to this stunning 70-meter waterfall that cascades down a lush cliff face into a turquoise pool below. Here you go. Top facilities. The area offers a range of tourist facilities, including restaurants, souvenir shops, restrooms, and plenty of nearby accommodation, making it a convenient and enjoyable destination for visitors. Picturesque rainforest setting. Beneath a canopy of emerald hues, sunlight filters through the verdant embrace of ancient trees, casting dancing patterns on the forest floor. The air is alive with the sweet melodies of birdsong, their calls echoing through the lush foliage, harmonizing with the gentle rustle of leaves beneath your feet. It is truly a spectacle of nature's artistry. Accessibility. As you can see, the trail is well maintained and enveloped by symphony of the forest, letting your senses guide you towards a realm of tranquility and awe, making it a popular spot for visitors of all ages and abilities. Anticipation builds with each descending footfall, drawing you closer to the source of this captivating sound. Ecological significance. La Fortuna Waterfall is part of a protected ecological reserve, ensuring its preservation and the conservation of the surrounding rainforest ecosystem. It is located near Arenal volcano, an active volcano that adds to the scenic beauty of the area. The combination of the waterfall, the volcano, the hot springs, and the surrounding rainforest makes La Fortuna a nature lover's paradise. Visiting the waterfall supports ecotourism efforts and environmental protection. Refreshing swimming opportunities. The pool at the base of the waterfall is a popular spot for swimming, allowing visitors to cool off and fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the surroundings. Did you notice the friendly fish waiting to greet you? The refreshing water and the scenic backdrop create a memorable swimming experience. Unveiling nature's masterpiece. And then, with a sudden unveiling, the forest reveals its hidden treasure. La Fortuna Waterfall, a breathtaking cascade of liquid diamonds tumbling down a sheer rock face, its waters plunging into a crystal clear pool below. The sight is mesmerizing, a mesmerizing display of nature's raw power and beauty. As you stand there, captivated by this natural wonder, you are connecting with nature's beauty, rejuvenating your spirit and creating unforgettable memories. Witnessing this dramatic cascade will leave you awestruck and inspired. It is a place where the cares of the world melt away, leaving only the serenity of the moment. It is a reminder of nature's untamed beauty, a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations that imprint themselves on your memory, forever etched as a cherished experience. Make it a part of your bucket list and embark on a journey that will leave you feeling inspired and connected to the wonders of our planet. Enjoy life to the fullest. Please like and subscribe to help us bring more videos to you.